Welcome to our morning Pilates for posture. Let's begin on our back today in butterfly, soles of the feet together, knees apart. Take a few slow breaths here, soften your face and unclench your jaw. Gently bring your knees together. Allow them to sink to the right and to the left. Back through center and prepare for bridge by walking your feet slightly closer to your glutes, about hip width apart. With your arms resting by your sides, inhale and exhale, peel your spine up to lift into bridge. Inhale at the top and exhale, melt down. Inhale at the bottom, exhale, peel up, moving every inch of your spine. Inhale at the top, exhale, melt down. 2 more. Inhale at the bottom, exhale, peel up. Inhale at the top, exhale, melt down. Inhale at the bottom, exhale, peel up and hold. Now with a straight back, inhale, lower, reach your arms over your head, and exhale, lift, arms forward and down. Inhale, lower, arms overhead. Exhale, lift, arms forward. 6 more. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. 4, 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Inhale, lower, and as you lift, hold your arms straight up. Now for a combo. Inhale to open your knees and arms out wide. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, lower your hips. Exhale, lift. Again. Inhale, knees and arms out wide. Exhale, center. Inhale, lower your hips. Exhale, lift. Let's do 6 more at your own pace. Last 2. 1. Hold your bridge, lift your heels up and lower. Lift and lower. 6 more. Try to go for a small lift here instead of all the way up. Last 3. 2. 1. Lower your hips down and hug your knees in. Let's go into some core work. Bring your legs into tabletop and reach your arms up again. On your inhalation, tap your right toes down, left arm reaches overhead. Exhale, center. Inhale, tap your left toes, right arm overhead. And exhale, center. If you want to make it harder, extend your legs. So, inhale, extend your right leg and left arm. Exhale, center. Inhale, left leg, right arm extends. And exhale, center. Inhale, right leg, left arm. Exhale, center. Inhale, left leg, right arm. Exhale, center. We have 3 more on each side, so 6 in total. One more on each side. Hold your reverse tabletop. Inhale to prepare and exhale, crunch up. Legs extend on the diagonal, reach your arms forward and inhale, release. Reverse tabletop. Exhale, crunch up, extend your legs and inhale, release. Only 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Hug your knees in, and if it feels good, gently rock side to side or circle your knees to release the lower back. Make your way onto your hands and knees for tabletop. And let's do a couple rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your gaze. And exhale, round, gazing down. Inhale. And exhale. Once more. Return to tabletop. Tuck your toes and lift up to downward facing dog, pedaling out your legs. Find stillness. Inhale, lower your knees, hovering tabletop. And exhale, lift, downward dog. Again, bring your knees to hover. And lift. Bring your knees to hover, hold. Draw your left knee forward. And through like dog, left leg back. Tiger curl, left knee to right elbow. And through like dog. Tiger curl, this time left knee to left elbow. And through like dog. Last one, draw your left knee forward. And lower it into tabletop, aligning knee under hip, hands under shoulders. Now, reach your left arm forward as you lift your right leg. Inhale to lower your right leg, left arm down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, sweep your left arm back, palm turns out. Exhale, turn your palm, sweep it forward. Inhale to lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, sweep back. Exhale, reach forward. Let's do 3 more. Keep the back of your neck long. and feel how your core supports this movement. 2. Last one. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Then sweep back and hold. Option to bend your right knee for tiger pose. Left hand to right foot, finding a back bend. Release hand and knee down. Reach your right arm up, opening to the right. Maybe let your gaze follow. And thread the needle. Slide your right arm underneath and rest your shoulder and cheek down. You have the option to extend your left arm forward or wrap it behind your back, whatever feels best. Slowly return to tabletop and lift up, downward dog. Inhale, lower your knees, hovering tabletop. And exhale, lift, downward dog. 2 more. Once more. Hold your knees to hover. Draw your right knee forward. And 3 like dog, right leg will lift. Tiger curl, right knee to left elbow. And 3 like dog. Tiger curl, right knee to right elbow. And 3 like dog. Last one, right knee forward. And set it down, tabletop. Lift your left leg up, right arm forward, finding length. Inhale, lower leg and arm. Exhale, lift. Inhale, turn the palm out, sweep your right arm back. And exhale, sweep it forward. 4 more. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, sweep back. Exhale, forward. 3 more, following your breath. Last 2. 1. Hold your arm back and option to find the back bend, right hand to left foot. Release. Open your left arm to the side and thread the needle, extending your right arm forward or wrapping it around your back. Carefully return to tabletop and melting heart, sink your chest down. Transition onto your belly and rest your forehead onto your hands. Gently draw your navel in to support your lower back. Inhale to lift your chest and legs. Exhale to lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. 2 more. Remember that you can always place a folded blanket underneath your hips for support here. Now, let's add a small layer before we finish. Inhale to lift. Exhale, draw your elbows back. Inhale, hands under your forehead. Exhale, lower. Only 3 more. You can do it. Last 2. One. And release. Bend your knees and let your feet sway from side to side, letting go of any tension from your lower back. Very gently press yourself back into child's pose. You can rest on your forearms, reach your arms forward, or relax them by your sides. Slowly roll yourself up to Thunderbolt, sitting on your heels. Inhale, reach your right arm up, and exhale, stretch over to the left. Inhale to center, right arm high, and exhale, twist to the left. Turn forward again. Inhale your left arm up and exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale to rise and exhale, twist to the right. Return to center. Inhale, reach both arms high. And exhale, hands to heart, thanking yourself for stepping onto the mat and starting your day with mindful movement.